Thanks to the new review system in Chaos, you can easily track the progress of your work and involve other people in the production process. Let's get started. I access the collaboration area, click on Reviews, and then on a project I have here. You can see that this section is organized into 4 progress stages. To Do, where we place the images we plan to work on. In Progress, where we move the ones we start working on. For Review, where we collect the images to be evaluated for final approval. And finally, all completed images are stored in Approved. To better understand how the collaboration workflow works, let's look at a very simple example. I'm working on an apartment and I created these 4 views. For example, we can create a first draft render. So I click on Collaboration and create a project called Study Room. Then we click on Plus and open a review session called Apartment 1. Then we upload the main image, Main, and all the other images I plan to work on. When we open Chaos Cloud, we will see that all the images are here in the first step. Now, as an example, we will focus only on working on the main view. We move it to In Progress and start working on it. When we want to update a render, we must be careful to upload the render by selecting its previous version already uploaded. The button here will change to Upload New Version. This way, as the work progresses and we upload different stages of the project, when we open Chaos Cloud, we will have the entire sequence of versions created over time. This indicates that we are currently on the 3rd version. Now let's invite our colleague Luigi to participate. We click on Approvers, then on Other Members. Luigi, using his Chaos account, will be able to see the status of the work, add comments, and use markers to indicate what needs to be corrected and where. For example, add more decorations. On my side, I receive Luigi's comment, so I can apply all the corrections he suggested in the comments and upload a 4th version of the image to the platform. If needed, I can also reply to him and close the task using this button. Finally, the image is ready to go into review and be sent for final approval. And here, for example, a client or the supervisor, Mario, can get involved. We invite him to the project. And then click on his name to give him approver permissions. This means that, on his side, the supervisor will see 2 new buttons, one to approve and the other to request additional changes. If that is the case, he will first leave comments, then click Return, accompanied by a short message. For example, please check my notes. The amazing part is that all these features, comments, changes, approvals, everything also works on mobile. Now back to the desktop. On our side, we will see that the image has returned to step 2, In Progress, together with the related comments. So we follow the suggested changes. Upload a new version and send it again to review. And here we are again in Mario's role for a new review. As mentioned, all the different versions are stored here, and thanks to the Compare option, we can compare them to verify whether the objects have been added as requested. To conclude, Mario the supervisor will click Approved, hopefully as soon as possible. and this process can be repeated in parallel for all the other images. When all the images receive final approval, the entire project will be marked as completed. And if you are working on different projects, here you can see a complete overview, with projects already closed and those still active.